Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to read another part of the lesson, that is the making of national movement from 1870s to 1947. So today we are going to discuss about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. On 13 April 1919, okay, on 13 April 1919, people gathered in a park. People gathered in a park at Amritsar. It was Baisakhi Day. Some people had come to celebrate Baisakhi, and others had come to protest against the arrest of two leaders by Britishers, namely Dr. Satyapal Malik and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu. ये जो मीटिंग थी, the meeting was peaceful. There were young women and children in the park. But suddenly, तो अचानक क्या हुआ? General Dyer was the commander-in-chief of the army of Britishers during this massacre, okay? But suddenly General Dyer with his troops entered the park, and without giving any warning to the people, he called upon his troops to open fire, okay? And the troops opened fire for 10 minutes, okay? Troops fired for 10 minutes, and when their ammunition was exhausted, जब इनका सामान खत्म हो गया तो ये वहां से भाग गए. They left it, and in these 10 minutes, तो इन 10 minutes में क्या हुआ? Hundreds were killed, okay? Almost hundreds were killed, and thousands were wounded. Okay. And in these 10 minutes, almost hundreds were killed and thousands were wounded. And the bullet marks can be still seen on the walls of Jallianwala Bagh, which is now a national memorial. और अभी भी वो गोलियों के निशान वहां पे मौजूद हैं. And this Jallianwala Bagh is a national memorial. ठीक है. इसके बाद ये जो जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर था, इट वॉज ए टर्निंग पॉइंट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस, ओके, इन 1919. तो 1919 में इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का सेशन हुआ एट अमृतसर. ठीक है, इन 1919 सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एट अमृतसर. तो 1919 में इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का सेशन अमृतसर में हुआ, एंड दिस सेशन वाज अटेंडेड बाय लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल इंक्लूडिंग पीजेंट्स, एंड इट वाज क्लियर. तो इसमें क्लियर हुआ, इट वाज क्लियर दैट ब्रूटैलिटी, ओके, इट वाज क्लियर दैट ब्रूटैलिटीज had only added fuel to the fire, okay? Brutalities had added only fuel to the fire and made the people's determination stronger to fight against oppression, okay? Again, I am here repeating is that in 1919, Indian National Congress session at Amritsar was held, and it was clear that brutalities had added fuel to the fire and made the people's determination stronger to fight against oppressor. ठीक है, तो फिर से मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स, अगेन आई एम हियर रिपीटिंग सम इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. 13 अप्रैल 1919, very important date from the exam point of view. If this question will be asked in exam, that when Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened, it is 13 April 1919. 13 April 1919. Also you will be asked who was commander in chief of the army of Britishers during this Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It was General Dyer. Okay, General Dyer. ठीक है. These 2 points are very important from the exam point of view. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.